My name is Gay Arcebuche and I'm the General Manager of Metolius Valley Inc. Metolius Valley was established on October 8, 2010. So we became the producer of fresh button mushrooms in the Philippines. We do have our own farm in Tagaytay. It's just basically a copy-paste from the technology of our parent company in Malaysia. We are the only one who has a button mushroom farm in the Philippines, and I can say that the biggest one. We are the one who's the main player in the market. We can see us in the retail, supermarkets, hotels, and restaurants. With this new software that we have, the AutoCount, what I really like about it is sobrang bilis lang. The reports that I get before, we do it like manually. We do a lot of exporting to Excel and then we do our own formulas. But this AutoCount, it's really very friendly. Now, as a manager, I can generate the reports that I need. Before kasi, we have so many reports, but the system cannot cater with all the reports. Parang ang dami na naming report na we do manually. But with this, it's there na. Parang you just export and yeah, you have the report.
Hi, my name is Gamboa. I am an IT manager of Metolius Valley. We are the one who use AutoCount first here in Philippines, and before we do it manual. So here in AutoCount, so it's just only one transaction. Probably you can get those kind of link from each module. Inventory, they have the costing na rin. Even the barcodes they have, we can easily track our inventories.
My name is Mary Grace Agres. I am the accounting staff of Metolius Valley Inc. In previous software, I need to generate the report and export it to Excel, and then I will create a formula. But in AutoCount, just generate, and then the report will show up. With this, you can really play around with, with the data inside. Like real-time, mas compliant naman siya with tax regulations. It's user-friendly, it's not very costly actually. If you want separate reporting for each branch, pwede. It will make your life as a manager, easy, really. Comparing with our previous systems na medyo nakailan na kami, so far, we are happy with this one, with this AutoCount. This is the only software so far that we used. I really can recommend, like, you can brag about it, affordable, and a lot of unlimited users. It's really worth it. I can say it's really worth it.